G'day fishers, it's the lure tosser back again on the Boyne River today. I'm taking my yak over to the opposite bank where I'll be working some mangrove edges and maybe a couple of small creek mouths, and yeah, hoping to pick up a fish or two. Today I've got on a Jarvis Walker 3-inch ready rigged swim bait. This is a centered soft plastic and it has an inbuilt casting weight. It looks quite realistic, so I'm hoping I can catch something on it. Alright, let's give it a go. I'll give you blokes a look at my new kayak. This is a 2.85 metre dory fishing kayak. I must give a huge shout out to Damien and the rest of the people at Cool Waters Outdoors in Tannum Sands. They did a great price for me and really looked after me, and I'll certainly be going back. So yeah, hope it does the job today. Ooh, I'm on. Oh. Still on. Tiny lizard. Let's get him back, eh? Yes, mate. Little guy. Way undersized, but good to catch something. Let's get him back. See you, mate. G'day fishers, the lure tosser back again. Beautiful morning here on the Boyne River. I'm going to throw out a little soft plastic prawn imitation. Looks pretty real, and hope it does the trick today. Oh, I'm on. First cast. That first cast. It's a good start. Thanks for that, mate. You made my morning. Oh, I'm on. Oh. That's a nice flathead. Lovely lizard. Lovely lizard, look at that. Nailed that little shallow running minnow. See you later, mate.